Welcome, let's start with 5 words today. Word number 1. Charge. 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 My father charges his phone. My father charges his phone. Word number 2. Ephemeral. 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 Life is often described as ephemeral, emphasizing the fleeting nature of its moments. Word number 3. Approaching. 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 The cat approaches the mouse. Word number 4. Carry. 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 My brother carries purchases. Word number 5. Arrive. 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 The boy reaches the finish line. If you like the video, like and subscribe to receive all new updates.